back to Cooking with Neighbors. Today I am making a vegetarian version of a Big Mac salad. So my hubby likes this, so I'm making it for him for his lunch tomorrow. So in a pan, I put a few drizzles of olive oil or cooking oil of your choice, and this is veggie crumble, ground veg. I wanted to get a bit of texture by frying it slightly. My hands are clean, so I'm just going to crumble that in there. Wash my hands. Okay, and to this, oopsie daisy, squish that up a little bit. You know what? So into that, this is a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of dehydrated onions. My doggy's barking, she's ready to food at the table. And this is some W sauce, Worcestershire. Just give it a bit of, because there's no fat really in that, so I need the oil and I need the Worcestershire to give it some moisture for the dried onion flakes. We want it to taste like a Big Mac burger. So while that's doing its thing, I'll turn it down so it's not too loud. While that's doing its thing, I'm going to grab some cheddar cheese. So I need to grate up some cheese for Big Mac salad. So I cut up some pickles already, and I cut up a quarter of an onion, of sweet onion. So we have cheese, pickle, onion. I took a small head of lettuce and I shredded it into like stringy bits and washed that. And I'll show you how to make the sauce. I'm not going to put, sometimes people will put some sugar in the sauce, but I'm using some ketchup and that got some sweetness already to it, so I'm not going to add sugar. Okay. And turn that up now. And the sauce. So I'm going to grab a measuring cup, then you can kind of see. I'm going to put a quarter of a cup of mayo. I think that'd be enough sauce for the amount that I'm making. So put a quarter of a cup of mayo. Put a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and a tablespoon of ketchup. Try to give it that color that everyone likes. Grab just a little bit of your finely diced onion, a little bit of your finely diced pickle, and we're going to give that a stir. Just got to grab a spoon or a fork. Yeah, like if you don't want to use ketchup, you can put some paprika to give it that color and some sweet and low or something to give it that sweetness. Or stevia, sugar, or something like that. Just got, oh, you want to know what? A little bit of vinegar. little bit of vinegar. I am going to grab my measuring spoon. Probably put, for this milk that I made here, probably like a tablespoon of vinegar. Oh yeah, because we don't want it runny, but we want that McDonald's sauce flavor. And the pickles are kind of sweet too, so again, that's why, another reason why I don't want to add any sugar. That's pretty good. I like it. Yep, Graham's really happy with that. Okay, for assembling, because I'm making it for lunches or whatever, I'll show you what it looks like in a see-through plastic bowl here. So, put a layer, you want to layer it because it looks really nice. So put a layer of your lettuce. I'm letting that cool just a little bit more, actually. Let me feel. So I don't want my lettuce to... It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Jerry. A layer of this veggie crumble. You can use lean ground beef. And same method, same stuff in it. A little more. And now your cheese. And you can use as little or as many pickles and onions as you like. So our pickle and onion. Like I say, this is a quarter of a sweet onion, a couple of pickles, about a half a cup of shredded cheese. Now put our sauce on top here. I'm going to leave some out, because now this is for my hubby's lunch tomorrow. There's got your lettuce and your hamburger, almost like a hamburger patty. And when you layer it like that, and then your cheese, your pickle and onion. Now we'll do up a little bowl for us to taste. A little bit of lettuce, put in our veggie crumble, put in our cheese, our pickle, our onion, and our sauce. A little bit of mess to clean up, but that's okay. Alrighty, let's give it a try. Man, if you're watching, you know what you're eating, but you still want to treat yourself, and you still want to have, like, you got a craving maybe to go get a burger or something. Like, this is really good. I mean, you can put tomato in it if you like tomato in it. It's really good. You can, like I say, if you don't want to use ketchup because of the sugars, or if you're watching that as well, sprinkle a teaspoon or two of paprika with your mustard and mayo, You can use vegan mayo, and you can use some mustard, paprika, salt, pepper, onions and pickles. Yeah, you can squeeze a little bit of sriracha in there. And it will be tasty. Make it yours and enjoy it. Like, just give it a try and tell me what you think. Leave a comment below, and I hope to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jerry, and I'll chat to you soon. Take care. Bye.